He's a familiar face to the law here in Hampton Roads, and he's now taking a step into the military justice system.
This week, the Secretary of Defense appointed Virginia Beach Commonwealth's Attorney Harvey Bryant to a special panel with hopes of improving the military's response to sexual assaults. 10 on your side's Art Kahn spoke with Bryant this morning about his role on the panel and its objectives. Art?
Well, Nicole, of the 9 appointees to the panel, Harvey Bryant is the only current civilian prosecutor. And even though Virginia Beach's Commonwealth Attorney only served 3 years active duty with an additional 5 years active reserve in the Army about 40 years ago, he is very qualified for this position and is already getting some positive feedback about some of his ideas for change. The military uses force to deal with a threat, but critics say it has not been forceful enough in dealing with members accused of sexual assault.
And some things do need to be changed, but I don't think taking it away, the responsibility, ultimate responsibility away from the military, I think that would just weaken the system.
Secretary of Defense Chuck Hagel believes the military should continue to hold the ultimate legal authority in prosecuting sexual assault crimes. But the only current civilian prosecutor on Secretary Hagel's sexual assault crimes panel isn't so sure about that concept.
Perhaps all these sexual assault cases or some category of cases would actually go into civilian courts to be handled, which is certainly possible.
I think it would be wonderful. I would love to see it get out of the chain of command.
Trina McDonald says she was sexually assaulted a number of times during her service in the U.S. Navy. McDonald believes the Virginia Beach prosecutor is on the right path to justice.
I think that it opens up an opportunity for those people that are afraid to come forward. It opens up an opportunity for people who've been silent for so long.
Bryant believes it would open the opportunity to encourage a real cultural change in the military by providing an avenue for harsher penalties.
All prosecutors have to believe that the threat of prosecution and punishment is a deterrent to others in some respect.
Yeah, and another reason Bryant offers the possibility of using civilian courts or some avenue to remove the process from the chain of command is because in a military court, the record of the accused can be factored into the decision of guilt or innocence, something Harvey Bryant says would never happen in a civilian court. Art Kahn, 10 on your side.